Start with the 15th example, and what is said here: suppose an attractive nuclear force between two protons is written as C constant into exponential e raised to minus kr whole divided by r square. Write down the dimensional formula and appropriate unit of C and k. Okay, so first of all, e raised to minus kr. So this is exponential. Basically this is an exponential function, and inside the function, whatever it is, that must be unitless. Inside the function, the quantity must be unitless. So in order to have unitless, the unit of k multiplied by unit of r must be nothing, that is 1. Okay, there is no unit. So unit of k into unit of r is meter. So therefore the unit of k would be equal to 1 upon meter, or meter raised to minus 1. So I can write the dimension of k as L raised to minus 1. Okay. Now, as we know very well, this part of this particular equation is dimensionless. It has no unit. So this part is having no unit. So in that case, I can say the unit of f must be equal to unit of c upon unit of r square, where r is distance. Unit of f is Newton. Unit of c that we have to find, and unit of r square, so that comes out to be meter square. So therefore in the first part I can say the unit of c is Newton into meter square. The dimension for Newton is kg meter per second square, into for meter square it must be L2. So that comes out to be m1 L3 t minus 2. So these are the answer to the first part of this question. Now in the next part, what is said: suppose k is 1 Fermi. Okay, so in the second part it is given that f is equal to c raised to e raised to minus k is 1 Fermi. So I will not write, I will just say 1. So it will be e raised to minus r upon r square. K is 1 Fermi. Next, and the repulsive force between protons is balanced by the attractive force of the nucleus. So here the nuclei is attracting, while the electrostatic force, they are repelling. And this is being balanced when the distance is 5 Fermi. It means the electrostatic force between two protons is balanced by the electrostatic attraction between the neutrons. Okay. Now electrostatic force is given by 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 whole square divided by distance square is equal to c into e raised to minus distance 5 Fermi. No need to convert because k is also in 1 Fermi, so the Fermi will get cancelled out, upon the distance square. As distance square from both the side will get cancelled out, and you can easily calculate the value of c. 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2.56 into 10 to the power minus 38 divided by e raised to minus 5, so that goes up, and on calculating you can get the value of c very easily. Thank you.